Kenya Pipeline Company on payments of billions of shillings to the Zakim contractor on the refurbishing of the pipeline from Mombasa to Nairobi. Let's just listen in.
$4 million, $511,000. These are not shillings. 204,511,827 US dollars. The consultant is claiming that those figures should not be in excess of 728,000, and there was an expert who was taken from the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, and that expert has put this at a price of $44 million is what should be paid. And the question here that the committee will be taking further is how this expert was actually picked up, bearing in mind the time frame that these people were given to be able to send in their bids, bearing in mind the people who actually bid, bearing in mind the information that we have now received that some of these consultants had actually requested for more time. You cannot go and give figures regarding consultancy services for multi-million projects within a period of 10 days. It does not make sense at all. So it is very, very important. We are hoping that these matters will be able to finalize, and I'm equally informed, and we will be probing the board on the same, that there are issues to do with procurement that has either forced the current management to be asked to step aside, and we will be asking on these matters, because definitely issues to do with procurement and audit issues are within the mandate, and we can request for a special audit if those were issues that were not picked up by the Auditor General.
Line 5 is a significant line which is supposed to provide petrol and petrol products from Mombasa to Nairobi. It has been initially tendered at 484 million US dollars. There was a repetitive variations which had been done over the years, particularly on the way the variations was done, and 5 of the variations were as a result of inability and technical evaluation done by the KPC. So we are making KPC highly culpable for a number of irregularities that are majorly coming out in the way of tendering this project, and the number of companies that have tendered in the past. So there's a lot of complexity both in the management and the board as regards this project and the completion of this project.